What's going on, everybody? This is Joe with Altcoin Buzz. So, I've got a brand new project here. If you go right here to trending, you go to recently added here on coinmarketcap.com, you can see that 2 days ago, this cryptocurrency hit the market with a $57 million valuation, which really is pretty nice and high for an ICO. So it looks like they kicked butt, took names on the ICO. They're currently sitting at 31 cents. But what's even more interesting about that price is it's actually down a bit. So it's on a dip. So when it hit the market, it was at around 41 cents. So you'd be buying it at a pretty good price here at 31 cents, right? So I already went over the market cap, circulating supply, 181 million, just under 800 million to be totally created. Sitting at this price looks to be like the signals are there as far as the charts go, but let's go ahead and dive right into the tech and see what's going on. But before I do that, let's give a shout out to the person who's requested a video about this. So DJ D Neezy, thoughts on Simple Token. You mentioned mainstream adoption. I think OST may be the ticket. So this is coming from DJ D Neezy. So thanks for the shout out. This was on Instagram. If you guys are on Instagram, go ahead and give us a follow. Communicate with us there. I try to answer some of these questions as they come up, especially if they're really interesting. But because I move fast, I think fast, I don't always stop. But some things do catch my attention. And this Simple Token, because it's new and he mentioned it, I'm going to go ahead and talk about it here in this video. So thanks, man. DJ D Neezy, shout out to you, man. And if you guys want to get in this token, instead of thanking me, thank him. But like I said, I mean, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion and my views on what I see, and I just talk about it as I go. There are some things in here that have caught my attention. When I first looked at it, I found it difficult to understand what it was based on what it says up here, but as I started to dig in, I started to see the utility in this token, and then I really started to get excited. So then I said, you know what, I'm going to have to make a video about this, and that's where we're sitting right now. So watch the intro here and see what this token's all about and get a better understanding straight from them.
If you're looking to grow your app without relying on the big guys, blockchain just might be the answer. It's a new technology that empowers developers to make fairer, more democratized digital services. Blockchain-powered services are more open and transparent, allowing for frictionless transactions, meaningful economic incentives, and more monetization. But today, blockchain is a complex, futuristic idea, far out of reach from mainstream consumer adoption. It's the flying car, the fusion power plant, the USB cable you can plug in on the first try. It works in theory, but it's complicated, expensive, and doesn't yet scale. As it stands, just one consumer app would completely overwhelm the public blockchain networks. That's why we're building Simple Token. It's the bridge between blockchain and mainstream consumer apps. Simple Token enables any app to launch their own branded tokens on scalable side blockchains with user-friendly Simple Token software. This robust suite of tools lets you manage your token economy without the risks, costs, and efforts of going it alone. So you can focus on your users and your core business instead of blockchain infrastructure. Whether you want to add blockchain to parts of an existing app or you're building a decentralized app from the ground up, Simple Token is your ticket to a more powerful business.
So as you can see, the utility of this token is quite unique. There's not too many cryptocurrencies like this that are going to take already existing apps and allow them to access the blockchain and create tokens on their app. So that's pretty cool. And Simple Token has definitely hit the market in a special way. Right now, as we can see, if we just go OST, Simple Token right here, sitting on a dip, okay, 31 cents. If you look at the Satoshi count, it's not even on there, right? So it's still so fresh to the market. I mean, you can't even get, it's literally just hit the market here, guys. I mean, we don't even have enough data here to suggest anything, right? I mean, this is so fresh. Very interesting, very interesting. You got Ethereum here too. Where's the BTC Satoshis? So if you wanted to pick this up, you can only pick it up on Binance. You can come over here on social media. You can check them out at The Simple Token on Twitter. So let's go ahead and see what they're saying on here. So Jason Goldberg, he's their, I believe he's the CEO or the lead developer. Let's take a look at the team, by the way. All right, so there's Jason Goldberg. He is the CEO. Jason Goldberg is a veteran internet entrepreneur with 18-year history of scaling products to millions of users. Since 2016, Jason's passion has been to drive mainstream consumer adoption of blockchain technologies. Jason splits his time between Berlin, Germany, Pune, India, and Hong Kong. As you can see, there's a big team right here to support him. Just look at how big this team is. There's a lot of people involved in this project. I believe she's a major player in this. Yeah, she's the product manager. There's actually a video on their homepage where she's giving an introduction. So if you're into the technical side of it, you definitely want to check that out. She does a great job of explaining things along with another developer. Here's a board of directors. So there's a lot going on here. And for me, I'm picking this coin up. This isn't financial advice, as you know. As always, I say that. Based on the fact that it had a great ICO, very successful ICO. It's currently sitting on a dip, which we like to buy the dip. Circulating supply is fairly reasonable. It's on a dip. It's a successful pre-ICO. I mean, I like the tech. I like the utility. I'm picking this one up, and it's up to you what you guys choose to do. Obviously, do what you want, but we'll see. We'll see, guys. I mean, it's a brand new cryptocurrency, so if you guys want to, if you want to play it safe, definitely take your time, get more familiar with it, read the white paper, come onto their website, spend some time, ask people, ask around, see what you guys find out. You know. Don't ever jump into anything just because you watch one video. You know, do like multiple sets of research. Okay, familiarize yourself with it. There's the white paper right here. You would go into documents and you can access the white paper. You can scroll right down here, and you can see the simple token right here. Executive summary. Simple token ST is an EIP20 token, and OpenST is a protocol to support token economies and mainstream consumer applications. The business and technical challenge we set out to solve is to enable mainstream consumer applications to benefit from deploying their own branded crypto-backed token economies in a scalable and cryptological auditable manner without needing to mint and maintain their own publicly tradable EIP tokens. The OpenST protocol enables the creation of utility tokens on a utility blockchain, while the value of those tokens is backed by stacked crypto assets on a value blockchain. Guys, come on here and check out this white paper before you do anything. I personally have discovered that the more that I got to know this cryptocurrency and the more familiar I became with the cryptocurrency simple token, the more I saw the opportunity and I took it. That's just me. So, with all that being said, you guys can check us out on Twitter, like I said earlier, altcoinbuzz.io. If you're not already on Twitter and you're into cryptocurrency, you might be missing out. Let's see how fast we're growing. Yeah, we're growing really rapidly here, guys. This count just keeps going up because Twitter is just so valuable to our community. And then we're also on Instagram, which is where we're getting a lot of comments and stuff. Let's see how we're growing here. Almost to 2,900. So just interesting to see all the growth that's occurring. And you got Ripple rising, Ethos rising, Redcoin rising. Just a whole lot going on in the cryptocurrency space. Yeah, I mean, this is a brand new cryptocurrency. And if you've been watching my videos, you know that I'm always checking on this recently added, because this is how you can get, I mean, this is how you get some very interesting new cryptocurrencies that are coming up. This datum, I might have to be checking into this next. Obviously, Super Bitcoin's cool. I think that already forked. I know Bitcoin Diamond officially forked today. We got Wabi on here. You know about Wabi. We've been talking about Wabi. How's Wabi looking? Wow, Wabi's up 17%. That's cool. All right. We'll see. We'll see. What's up with Wabi? Dragon Chain. Yeah. Pre-search. This pre-search right here, guys. I got my eyes on this pre-search. This Time New Bank, I'm not too familiar with that, but you know, after 24 days, it's kind of been on there. I don't know. This is a cool name for sure. It got a kind of cool logo, but that does not mean a dang thing. Here's Bitcoin Diamond 27 days ago. I don't know. I think if you had one full Bitcoin, you would have got 10 Bitcoin Diamond, but don't quote me on that. Anyway, guys, if you're new here, you can subscribe. If you've been subscribed and you like videos like this, you can hit that notification button. And until next time, go ahead and drop some comments on your thoughts about Simple Token. If you have any recommendations for coins that we should check out and review, I do my best to give you an honest, genuine opinion. In this day and age, with all the sea of green that I see, I like a lot of these projects, so I stand behind a lot of them, but I don't jump into all of them. I mean, I'm definitely in like less than 5% of all these, maybe even 1%. I might be at 1% of all these, maybe 2%, okay? But, so I don't jump into every project, but I am behind a lot of these projects. Here's one, Bitair. It'd be interesting to see how they did. No market cap, cool name, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.